When you choose your grout color, always purchase the matching caulk or sealant to go with that because you're gonna need it. Caulking is not that difficult and you can do it. Yes, different types of sealant take a little bit different skill. If you're using a basic acrylic sealant, caulk gun, it's relatively easy. Make sure you don't grout those corners and the change in plane and use that sealant for that joint. This will give your system a place to move. If you're using a silicone sealant, it's a little more difficult, and let me show you how to do that. You get your caulk gun and your caulk tube just like any other project. Cut off the tip, put it in your caulk gun, and apply the sealant to the open joint. The key is you want that sealant to penetrate the joint and bond to the side of the tile and give your tile system the best chance of not cracking in that corner and up against another surface. Now, a silicone is a little bit more difficult to clean up. Some people use tape. Some people use a soap and water mixture. You can use whatever. But if you're not careful, you can make a mess. It is very sticky. When cleaning up silicone, after installing it, I like to spray a mixture of soap and water on the installation. Then I can use a paint stick or my finger caulk tool to get the excess silicone off the joint, tool it, make it look amazing. If you're using just an acrylic latex, you can do that with just your finger and a rag. Okay, I'll say it. If you're not caulking your corners or up against different materials from your tile, you're wrong. If you tell me you've been doing it your whole career and it's never cracked, I don't believe you. Always use a sealant or a movement joint in your corners and at the change of planes. It works. Click that like button if you found value from this video. Also subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any content. And don't forget, comment down below and tell me how awesome I am. Let's use a rating system, 1 to 10. I can take it. If you need any tile, stone, or LVT materials, shop tilebar.com. And click this video right here. It was chosen specifically for you. Yeah, for you. You're special. Follow me on any of the social medias. Let's connect. I want to grow this community. But in the meantime, let's keep learning together and tile the world.